Every year, thousands of workplace incidents could have been prevented if just one person had noticed, spoken up, or taken a small action in the moment. This is that training. This isn't just another compliance video. We know speaking up or stepping in can feel uncomfortable sometimes, but this is about protecting the people next to you, your team, your friends, your family waiting for you tonight. By the end of this training, you'll know how to see hazards clearly, say something with confidence, and do something about it in the moment, not just walk past and hope someone else handles it. OSHA requires every workplace to be free from recognized hazards, but that only works if we all play our part, noticing, speaking up, and acting when we safely can. Quick check. Pause for a second. In your own words, whose job is it to notice hazards on the floor? The answer is C, everyone. Safety isn't a department, it's something we all carry together, no matter our title. Something isn't just fires and spills, it's frayed cords, missing guards, blocked exits, unsafe behavior, even a coworker who seems overwhelmed or unwell. If it feels off, it probably is. Here's the key part people miss. If you can safely fix it right now, don't just walk past it and plan to report it later. A missing guard, a spill, a blocked exit. Many of these you can address in seconds, and that's exactly what we want you to do. Not everything can be fixed on the spot, and that's okay. A cracked guardrail or a broken sensor might need a technician, but you can still act, rope it off, tag it, post a warning, and stay nearby until help arrives. A temporary barrier now can prevent a permanent injury. Quick scenario. You see a loose railing near a walkway, but you don't have the tools to repair it. What's your move? The right move is B. Contain it, tag it, then report it. Walking away hoping someone notices or assuming someone else already saw it leaves that hazard live the whole time. Not every hazard is mechanical. We all have hard days, fatigue, stress, something following us onto the floor from home. Checking in on a coworker who seems off isn't overstepping. It's one of the most caring things you can do. Here's the part people avoid most: talking directly to a coworker doing something unsafe. Don't wait for a supervisor. Don't just log an observation and hope someone else handles it. A respectful, in-the-moment conversation is often the fastest way to prevent an injury, and it shows you actually care. We get it. Pointing something out can feel awkward. Nobody wants to come across as bossy, so lead with care, not correction. Try, "Hey, I noticed you're not wearing your gloves. I just don't want you to get hurt. Can we get those on?" People respond to concern, not criticism. Be honest with yourself. Have you ever noticed something and just logged it as an observation instead of talking to the person directly? What held you back? There's no wrong answer here, but the takeaway is this. Logging an observation is valuable, but it shouldn't replace the 10-second conversation that could stop the risk right now. Speak up first, then log it too. Here's a stat that surprises people. For every serious injury, there are dozens of near misses that went unreported. Near misses are warnings, free lessons before something worse happens. Every minute an unsafe act or condition goes unaddressed, the odds of injury go up. Seeing it and reporting it isn't the finish line, it's the starting point. Act first if you safely can, then report. Quick scenario. You see liquid pooling near an electrical panel, but no one's around right now. What's your first move? The correct move is B. Report immediately and warn anyone nearby. Never attempt cleanup near an electrical hazard yourself, and never assume it's already handled just because no one's around. A worker noticed a coworker repeatedly skipping lockout-tagout procedure. She didn't wait. She said something on the spot and followed up with her supervisor the same day. 2 weeks later, that machine malfunctioned. Because the gap had already been flagged and fixed, no one was hurt. It's not my job. I don't want to be a snitch. Someone else probably already handled it. We've all thought these. There's no shame in it. But every one of them has led to preventable injuries, and once you see that, it's hard to unsee. Which of those excuses have you caught yourself thinking? No judgment here, just be honest with yourself. Whichever one you checked, you're not alone, and you're not a bad employee for having thought it. Here's the truth. It is your job. Speaking up isn't snitching, it's looking out for people you care about, and assuming someone else did it is exactly how hazards slip through the cracks. None of us are perfect at this, we're just trying to get a little better. The strongest safety cultures aren't built on fear, they're built on trust and compassion. When leadership responds to reports and actions with understanding instead of blame, people keep engaging. We're all human. What matters is that we look out for each other when it counts. Supervisors, this part's for you. Your response to the first report or action sets the tone for everyone after it. Thank people, act fast, follow up. That's how seeing something, saying something, doing something becomes second nature. Last one, think of a specific action your team could take this week to make it easier to see, say, and do. Hold that thought. Whatever action you thought of, write it down or say it out loud to a coworker today. Commitments that get spoken or written are far more likely to actually happen. Let's lock in the essentials. OSHA's General Duty Clause requires hazard-free workplaces. Your facility's specific procedures, hotline, app, or supervisor are the official channels to use. And whenever you safely can, act in the moment instead of just waiting. Remember these 5 things. See anything unsafe, mechanical or human. Fix it yourself if you safely can. If it needs a bigger fix, contain it and tag it. Talk directly to a coworker doing something unsafe. Don't wait. And always follow up through your official channel. One veteran floor worker put it best. I used to think saying something made me a troublemaker. It took me a while to get past that fear. Now I know I'm the reason someone gets to go home safe tonight, and honestly, that feels pretty good. Silence has a real cost, not just fines, but real people getting hurt. The goal isn't to catch anyone doing something wrong. It's to catch problems before they catch someone off guard. Every small action you take genuinely matters. Starting today, commit to this. If you see something, even if you're not 100% sure, say something. And if you safely can, do something. You don't need proof. You need care. That's enough. Know your reporting hotline. Know your app. Know your supervisor's door is always open. And know this. Nobody expects you to be perfect at this overnight. Thank you for looking out for each other.